Hi, ladies.
Hello.
How are you?
We're alright. How are you doing?
Your name?
I'm Alan from Uganda.
Oh, okay.
Esther from Uganda.
Oh, nice meeting you. I'm actually from Uganda too. Glad to meet you on this day. So this is day one of the planning at Indaba. So what do you expect today?
Today I expect to interact with different researchers from different countries to try to bond with them and we see the way forward as the week goes.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, me too. I expect interaction, knowing people more. Remember, we are meeting people from different countries, different cultures. So I'm looking forward to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the cold weather of Rwanda.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel.
Yeah.
I'm come from Kenya. I'm enjoying breakfast at Indaba.
Hi guys. How are you people? Okay. I know you're attending this Indaba 2025 here in Kigali, Rwanda. So just going to tell me your name, the country you're from, and how you're feeling, and maybe your expectation.
Okay, my name is Kibo. I'm from Rwanda.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so my expectation is just to connect with other nationalities and learn from them. And the purpose of this conference is knowledge sharing. So we expect to learn much from other experts.
Okay, perfect. Nice meeting you.
My name is Ismail. I'm from Somalia. Yeah, of course, I'm so excited to be in here. I always make like a lot of network. Yeah.
Great. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, my name is Caroline Kapshave from Uganda. First of all, I'm thankful to God that I'm here. I believe this is a platform to make connections, to gain knowledge, and also to be updated on what is happening, what is trending in the area of AI.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Hi ladies.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. So what do you expect to learn today, and your name and a small introduction?
Sure. So I'm Jenna Lee. I'm from South Africa, and I expect just to connect. I'm hoping to see all my friends here.
Okay, great.
Hi, I'm Christina from Canada, and I'm hoping to meet participants. We're here to recruit master PhD students for Mila to work with us.
Oh, okay, that's
So I hope to
nice.
start connecting with people already today.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much, ladies. I hope you get to enjoy the event and keep in touch. Hi people.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, great to see you people on Indaba 2025. So I'm just going to start with you. Your name and your country and your expectation.
Okay, and my name is Sharif Darsia. I'm from Somalia. I'm expecting to a lot of experience.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Hello, I'm Amira. I'm from Somalia. I'm expecting to get a lot of network and experience.
Okay, great.
Hi, my name is Alice Namagembe. I'm from Uganda. Well, I expect to meet lots of people who are advanced in the tech field. Most especially, I would like to meet with people who have done their masters. I would like to get more insights of which masters could I take on in my journey as a tech person. Yeah, so I'm happy to be here for the deep learning Indaba 2025.